Welcome to the FLEXPoint video tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk through the device settings for your PowerScout Flex meter. To get started, connect to your meter and navigate to the configuration page in the FLEXPoint application. Then, click on the Device Settings tab. The Device Settings tab contains important meter-wide configurations that should be completed before deploying your meter. Let's start with General Settings. In this section, you'll find the system description, voltage input multipliers, and power factor sign convention fields. Enter an appropriate identifier in the system description field. This description helps differentiate multiple meters within the same network or physical installation. If required for your application, you can adjust the voltage input multipliers to the desired numeric value. Finally, you can change the power factor sign convention from the default ANSI setting to IEEE if needed. Next is the Communication Settings section, where you configure how your meter communicates. Select the appropriate communication interface for your setup. For RS-485 serial communication, you can configure the data bits, parity, baud rate, and slave address. For Ethernet communication, you may enable DHCP or manually enter the required network settings. You may need assistance from your network administrator when configuring these values. Next, select the appropriate communication protocol. The default protocol is Modbus. If BACnet is selected, additional BACnet-specific settings become available. These include device ID, vendor ID, maximum masters, and maximum information frames. Depending on your network configuration, a BACnet port and broadcast management device IP address may also be required. Next are the advanced settings. These are critical device settings and should only be changed if you fully understand their function and impact. For assistance with any advanced setting, please contact customer support. Finally, you can download your meter's logged interval data by clicking the download button shown here. This concludes the FLEXPoint video tutorial on device settings for your PowerScout Flex meter.